This video shows how to set up xLights 2017 version 14. We're going to show an example here of an AlphaPix 16 configured in a typical way with xLights 2017. Now, every single situation cannot be addressed here. This will show you the generic method you need to use. Now, we have used the standard IP address for an AlphaPix, which is 192.168.0.50, and we have configured it in a typical way. Now, in this particular case, we have 50 pixels or a 5 meter 50 pixel string. We're going to be building a pixel megatree in this case. And you can see that we've simply made a one-to-one relationship between the universe and the single output. Now, there are more channels in a universe than listed here. We just simply made it easy to understand by using one output, one universe, and them all matching. Okay, we've already set up our controller. Now, the one other thing you may wish to check is your color order. If your color order is not coming out right in the hardware test, make sure to change it. It's usually RGB or BRG for HolidayCoro pixels. Now, let's go ahead and flip back over here to xLights. Now, I've downloaded xLights from the website. It's free download. I've installed it. Now, what we're going to do is going to add in an E131 controller, which is what the AlphaPix is. So we're going to click Add. Then we're going to select Unicast. The AlphaPix does not support multicast. Now we're going to put in the IP address. Now, if you have multiple controllers, see our article on multiple controllers. Each controller needs to have its own unique IP address. And generally, I do not recommend mixing universes on a single controller. So if you have more than one controller, be aware there's some other issues there. Now we're going to say starting universe. We're going to say ending universe, so number of universes. We're going to say 16. And in this particular case, we're going to have 150 channels. Now, what it's saying here is that we set up our controller with here 50 pixels. Oops, here we go. 50 pixels per output. That means that if we multiply 50 pixels times 3 channels, because there are red, green, and blue, that means that there are 150 DMX channels for each output. So we're going to be telling xLights that we only want 150 channels. And then I'm just going to give it a description, and we'll just say this is our 16 output megatree. Click OK. Now, what we've done here is you can see that we do have unicast. It does not say multicast in this column. And we also have the individual universes, 1 through 16. You'll also see that it says E131. And we see that the total number of channels is 150 per output. We even also have over here that it's part of a megatree. At this point, our setup is complete for xLights on the output sequence portion. See our other videos for configuring additional steps, including testing and sequence setup.